Hi there, I'm Sandy Allnock, artist and paper crafter and Bible journaler here on YouTube, and today I'm going to share a flip through of artwork in my Bible. Before I get to the Bible flip through, I wanted to do a quick flip through of both of my books, Bible Journaling Made Simple, the book, and the workbook. These are both books that came out last year, and they make great Christmas gifts. So as we're approaching the Christmas season, you might want to consider that. Both of these don't make me any money, so I'm not trying to sell books because I'm trying to make money for myself. I donate all of my royalties to charity. So there you go. You can do a little good for charity at the same time as you're buying a Christmas gift. And the main book has tutorials in it. It talks about mediums, etc., and the things that'll work in Bible journaling. And then the other book is printed on Bible paper, and this is a workbook. There's a lot of blank places that you can just practice drawing things. There's lines for lots of written journaling. You can draw your own pictures. You can color the pictures that are in there. You can practice different mediums and see what's going to work on the paper and how does this gesso work or that gesso or whatever it is that you want to try. And you can find out what it's going to do probably when it gets to your Bible. And you can practice the techniques that you want to apply in your Bible journaling, etc. Lots of educational material in here and great prompts to help you do some spiritual journaling along the way as well. So both of these books are available signed on Ellen Hutson's website. That's the only place you can get them signed. And if you would like to just get one from Amazon, you can do that. They're at Barnes & Noble's. I've been told they're now at some of the crafty stores, some of the chain stores that are out there. So look around when you go to those. And you could pick up a lovely Christmas gift for someone. Get them a little set of watercolors or watercolor pencils or something to go with it. And you have a ready-made gift for someone. So the rest of this video, I'm not going to be talking through. I'm just going to put on some music and let you watch as I flip through my main Bible. This is one of many Bibles that I have, and I want to be able to share some of that with you and just enjoy it. I don't really have a lot to say about them. I just wanted to share that because people are always asking if they can look through my Bible. So there you go. We'll let you do that. So have a wonderful day, and I will see you again in my next video coming up very soon.